So welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see right here, guys, we've bought a Mercedes S-Class S350. Pretty nice car inside out, apart from this side that's actually damaged, which is this side right here. So a lot of you guys might be thinking, why is it ridiculously cheap? The reason being is I actually purchased it off a mate of mine. He owned this car for 3 years, and somebody literally drove into the side of him, and he offered it me, gave me a call to say, look, I don't want to buy the car back, and if you want it, it's £800 direct from the insurance company, and that's the only way you'll get it at that sort of price. If that was to go through auction, it probably would go for around £2,500 to £3,000. So yeah, guys, that's the story behind that. So you can see right here, it's taking a bit of a hit on that ring right there. 2 doors need to be replaced. I mean, you could fill them, but I don't really like to fill the doors. So 2 doors need to be replaced. I've already purchased them in silver. Rear quarter has a bit of a dent right here. That could always be pulled out. I think there's a dent right here on that wing. I mean, apart from that, that's the only thing that needs to be done. Replace them 2 doors, repair that wing and that quarter right there. The reason why this alloy wheel is quite shining is because I've had it refurbed. It was damaged, so that's all been done. I mean, suspension wise, nothing needs to be messed around with. That's it really, guys. I mean, that's the only damage on the car. So we'll go around it. So it's got the LED headlights, well, sorry, DRLs at the bottom. Then you got these other DRLs right here. Pretty spec'd up car, to be honest with you. Toe is missing, it's in the car. It's got the ACC at the front. I mean, this side's pretty clean. I mean, it does need a bit of alignment to right around here. The bumper is popping out on this side right here. So when we do come to repair it, we'll be repairing all them as well. So coming on to this side, the reason why this wheel is so high, it's on air suspension, so it's got the ride height on there, so it's just leveled out. So this side is quite high, other side is quite down, just to sort of like level it all out. It's also got these sensors right around here. I mean, it's raining, you can't really see them. So I think that sensor reads your speed limit of the road. That one is your front camera, and you got another one for your rain sensor. I mean, you probably would need a wash. It is quite filthy. These are normally chrome, so he's actually had these wrapped in gloss black. Same with the roof. The roof is normally silver. He's had it wrapped in gloss black. I'm not a big fan of the roof in gloss black, but obviously he's done that. So rear glass has all been tinted. This is not the long wheelbase. You do get the ones that are slightly longer. The doors are slightly longer. This is a short wheelbase, well, the normal one, let's say. It's got good tyres all the way around. It's got good meat on all 4 tyres. He's looked after this car really well. It's got loads of service history with it. Come with 2 keys and a logbook. Around the back is pretty clean. It's got these LED headlights, I mean rear lights. So the boot space around the back is pretty big. You got the side pockets right here, and we also have a spare tyre just under that carpet right there. Does need a clean, it is quite filthy. It does look nice with the quad exhaust on the rear. I mean, just that section needs pulling out. I mean, apart from that, all this area is fine, but obviously when it comes to painting it, the full side's going to all be painted up. That was a bit of a struggle. It is quite spacious on the rear as well, guys. Heated rear seats. Then also you got this cigarette compartment right around here, and they are Harman Kardon speakers. It's got this nice wooden finish on there. So moving on to the inside, we've got memory seats, heated seats, Harman Kardon speakers, little hidden compartment right around here. You also got this lane assist right around here, and also it has been chipped, so I'm not too sure how to use them. We'll give it a go once the car's on the road. I mean, on the inside it is quite nice. You also got these features right around here. You connect your phone up, and dial who you want to dial, give them a call. You don't need to use your phone. That's a nice little feature right there. You got another compartment for all your sweets and all your goodies. You also got an orange inside there, so decent size. I also like this wooden finish on the steering wheel. It gives it that luxury look, and it has done around about 90,000 miles, which is pretty decent for its age. It is a 2009 and it has full service history, so it has been well maintained. So you've got all your buttons right around here, all your fan, heater controls, and you got this nice little clock sitting in the middle. If you look down here guys, you can see this compartment. We got a CD loader which could load up to 6 CDs. You could also put SD card in there, and you have a cup holder compartment right around here. I mean, the car does need a clean. I mean, it does have the air suspension modes right around here. So we got the ride height mode right around there, sport mode, parking sensors off, and also you could turn the camera on the rear. So I'll just show you that now. So I'm not sure if the camera's actually picking me up. Yeah, the rear camera actually moves left or right, wherever you really want it. It also does have another camera right around the top. I mean, that's pretty much it for the S-Class. Let me know what you guys actually think of the car. Is it a good buy? So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.